All right, everyone, welcome back to another video. This is just a quick sauce video. Once again, these seem to be pretty popular, so I'm just going to keep rolling with them. Today we're doing a restaurant style honey mustard, probably one of the easiest sauces that you will ever make. And yeah, so let's get into it. As you can see there, I just did 1 cup of mayonnaise, and I used Blue Plate. It's high quality, it's good mayonnaise. A lot of people like Duke's or Hellman's. Either one of those would work as well. And then we're gonna go in with 1 cup of honey, and then we are going to put in this is very important, stone ground mustard. Do not use yellow mustard, please. Dijon, yeah, I mean, you know, honestly, sometimes I would even go half stone ground, half Dijon, but I do really like the way that stone ground tastes and the texture of it and everything. So do 1 cup of that. And then that is it. Simple as that. Give it a quick whisk. So if you're paying attention, it is literally just equal parts of mayonnaise, honey, and stone ground mustard. And this is a really good restaurant style honey mustard. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and let me know what recipes you want to see me do in the future. Thanks.